How to download HiTV app on your laptop or PC. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can easily download the HiTV application onto our laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to download the HiTV application onto your laptop, you need to simply open up your browser. After opening up your browser, you can simply type in HiTV at the search bar and hit the search. After that, wait for the search to be loaded, and here you get a bunch of options of downloading the HiTV app from. I'm just simply gonna go with the process of downloading it from Google Play. It is one of the most convenient way on how you can download applications. So here it says this application is not available for my device, but if it is available, you may just simply see an install option here and just tap on install and wait for the installation to be completed. And after that, just set it up onto your laptop, and that's how you basically download the HiTV application onto your laptop or PC. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.